Our next speaker is Mr. Senthilkumar. He is Chairman and Managing Director of SAVIC Technologies. He is an experienced hand at SAP and Microsoft Technologies and brings his knowledge and passion to drive SAVIC.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Good afternoon to you all. What we do, SAVIC, okay. We help customers achieve their objectives by adoption of technology and business consulting services. That's what we do. We work with customers to understand their vision and objective. In that, we will partner with them to ensure that they get right technology and right consultings to transform into digital. Who we are, we take care about 3 line of businesses. One is application and technologies, digital enterprise, and infra and cloud managed services. Means we engage with customers on vision and digital transformation consulting services. Then we build the technology along with that, and we transform into various platform and technology. We use it, and we manage it as a customer also. We work with industries, consumer product, retail, distribution, discrete, automotive, engineering, construction, life science, professional services, energy, chemical, natural resources, and high tech. And the partner we have SAP as a platinum partners, highest level of partnership, which is a #1 ERP and 74 plus market shares in the globally. And we also partner with Microsoft for various Azure platform and services. And we also AWS partners for cloud services and Google GCP partner for cloud services. ICTs, which is a contract lifecycle management, it takes care about end-to-end your contract lifecycle of the contracts from class library building to automate your contracts, everything. And AutoPay for commerce and Kinaxis for digital supply chain. ServiceNow for all workflows and automation across your organization and manage your help desk and services. We are also CMM level 5 and ISO 9000 company. And we take care about all your enterprise, within enterprise, and also your partner collaborations and customer collaborations, and also data and AI and analytics. That is what our core strength. Today's CFO challenges, if you look at it, high audit cost and risk exposure through the audit processes, no visibility into compliance performance, each locations or site or plant or projects, manual way of doing the costing and project costings, and no visibility on the performance of the cost and profitability reports due to the high data volumes and various technologies, various platforms. Automating the process of monitoring internal controls, reports based out of data due to the time required to produce reports, inability to plan project cost or budget efficiency, track actual versus planned cost leads to the budget overruns, governance and compliances, no 360-degree view of profit mentioned across crucial dimensions such as projects, products, or segments, or line of businesses, lack of visibility of account receivable, account payable, aging, near to due or overdue status of the outstanding invoices, automating and financial accounting, etc., whatever you can say. In this area, how we can bring our technologies or platform which can help you to make you strong, how you can get complete insights of the entire value chain, leveraging the business drivers and KPIs which is required, and cultural engagement, maximum utilization of the digital, how you can adopt it. Just want to run one case studies, how we did one of the customers. They are mainly into power unit manufacturing company, German based, and they're in India also. They have an office in Mumbai. They do the manufacturing and selling to the customers. One of the CFO, how he got benefited out of our implementation product services.
Yeah, I'm Rameshan K. Neelkandan. I'm working as a CFO in Semicron. So when the GST came into picture, so we were thinking about replacing or upgrading.
Yeah, that's one of the case study how we transformed that implementation done in 90 days. 1st April we made it in the go live the things. So other brand which is Everest, they are into blended spices. We done the complete transformation, 17 years of using the legacy system and various systems. We brought them into the one platform. Today they are completely end-to-end ecosystem using the SAP as a services, which has been done 6 months, which brought operational excellence in their processes. Now, what are the option available again in the platform? One is the ERP side, and how it can help the CFO organization to better visibility on the compliances and audits and other things. Just want to run through the one video which will help you to understand.
The only constant is change. The only speed, fast forward. But you're not complaining. It's a global digital world. And your job as a CFO in a multinational company? Exciting. You have the right instincts and can keep up the pace. But you also should have the right tools to help you. To gain ground in the digital transformation lane. To be on top of the ever-evolving legal space and stay on track with compliance. Growth can get quickly derailed if you lose sight of the fine print. So you turn to SAP, a trusted partner in exploring new avenues for business growth in a digital world. And now, also in helping you stay ahead of the curve with advanced compliance reporting. GST reforms in Asia, VAT regime in the Gulf region, audit reports like SAFT, and the Making Tax Digital Initiative in UK, to name just a few. Now, SAP's global legal reporting platform for an end-to-end legal reporting process brings transparency and efficiency with simple adoption of these continuous legal changes. Instead of a mixed bag of point solutions for the regulations of each country, you have a harmonized solution with value-add capabilities across the board. The ease of use of this application reduces the burden on the end user by intelligent automation. Keeping track of the compliance deadline is a thing of the past, as the SAP solutions for advanced compliance reporting provide a built-in notification to alert you of any looming deadlines. It lets you monitor all of your global legal compliance reporting through a single dashboard. It gives you invaluable insight into your global compliance readiness and the way forward. In this era of big data and analytics, SAP solutions for advanced compliance reporting let you customize your analysis and stay audit ready. And that's not all. You get a platform that helps you collaborate with your partners to extend and create new reports to adapt to your business needs. The global digital world is bringing in the next generation of business. Now it's time for intelligent transformation of legal reporting with SAP solutions for advanced compliance reporting. Contact your account executive today and
that gives global presence of the companies who want to bring the best practices in your end-to-end operations within India or outside India. Globally, you can adopt the solution. It also brings the full complete automation, so you don't need to remember any dates and other things for the compliance perspective. There's another case study where they are number one in the adaptable manufacturing company. We made them digitally transform end-to-end in 4 months' time with a complete 100% reporting comes out of the SAP system and their financial statements and GST compliances and everything. Apart from that, what we do, if you can look at the bottom layers, we have multiple systems run in any of the enterprise. One is the ERP. Then you have a multiple satellite system, which is your line of business solution, maybe dealer management system or a supply chain systems or the sales fuel systems or the any financial system which is running it with your HR and all these teams. Now what we did is we bring the relevant data from all these sources. We got into the data lake platform where you can have the slice and dice and you can apply AI algorithm data analytics, which can bring into the UI layers to have a lot of insights and actionable insights which can go back to your original system and make it fully automated end-to-end engine can run for you. Is called 360 platform, which is subscription based used by the customers. And also we do a lot of analytics which works for CFO office, which takes care about your financial statements and cash flows and workflows, various reporting requirements which can work in any device anywhere on real-time basis, which also our key, one of the key strength. Just want to show some video on that. Also what kind of KPIs you can bring into the top of your operation, which help to take the decision at right time. Yeah, how we engage when we get any need or any requirements, we start our digital day on CFO office or CEO office or CSO office. We meet them and we demonstrate what the best practice or next practice available for that particular industry. Then we do the design thinking workshop, identify the objectives for the improvements where we are here today, where we want to towards. Then we will build the business case and we identify the next practice identification and we create the project charter. We get the sponsorship and we engage with the projects and we kick off the project. Then we start doing the agile methodology of deploying the solution with a sprint, and we do have a regular reviews and with the customers and stakeholders, and we have a monthly steering committee where we are standing, and we complete the project 3 to 6 months, and we will keep updating or upgrading and implementing multiple KPIs or the ROIs what we achieved, and continuous improvement process we will be adopting it. That's a way we engage on any of the initiative or objective on the digital transformation journey. We call it as a vision to value delivery. Thank you.